In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to rotate your screen on Windows 10. This is useful if your display is sideways, upside down, or if you want to use portrait mode. The fastest way is by using keyboard shortcuts. Hold down the Control and Alt keys, then press the arrow key in the direction you want. For example, the down arrow flips the screen upside down and the right arrow rotates it 90 degrees. If keyboard shortcuts don't work, you can rotate your display through the settings, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings from the menu. In the Display Settings window, scroll down and look for Display Orientation. Use the drop-down to choose between Landscape, Portrait, Flipped Landscape, or Flipped Portrait. Once you select your preferred orientation, click Keep Changes to confirm. If you don't confirm within a few seconds, Windows will automatically revert to the original layout. That's it. You've successfully rotated your screen on Windows 10. Whether it's for coding, reading, or simply fixing a display mistake, you now know both the shortcut and settings method.